Hey everybody, it's Hannah from Neva Lomison, and today we are going to be doing 3 super easy paper flying machines. So we're going to make a glider, looks like this. It's a paper airplane, but not like a regular paper airplane, a helicopter, and a rocket. And all you're going to need is paper and cardstock, paper clips, straws, and scissors and tape. So the first thing we're going to do is the glider. Just need a straw and some cardstock. I'm going to cut off the long end, about 1 inch or 1.5 inches wide, it doesn't really matter. And then the short side after you've cut it. And your cat can help you. Or not. And each of these you're going to tape into a ring, just like those. And then each ring goes on one end of the straw. You want them to be pretty much facing the same way. Depending on how good your tape is, you might want more tape than that, but this is just to show you. So then you would throw it like that, and it makes a plane. So the challenge is to figure out why it flies as good as it does. And I will give you a hint that you have to think about an airplane and the way it moves air around it. So will it fly like this? Will it fly crooked? That's the challenge. So there's that. Now we're going to do the helicopter, which is based on a fairly similar principle, which is that air is actually a substance. It's not just nothing. There's air there. You can kind of feel it if you move your hand. And to make something fly, you have to figure out how to get it off the ground and stay in the air. So the way the helicopter is going to do that is similar to the seeds you may have seen that have kind of a wing on them to make them fly further when they fall from trees. And they use that by resistance against the air. So you're just going to need a piece of construction paper, cut this way about 2 inches. You're going to cut it not quite halfway, and then make 2 little slits about halfway along, twist in a little bit. That. And then this is the side you cut, so the other side, fold these up. And kind of roll this up with little folds. And put a paper clip on to keep it steady. Then you fold these sides down. And you can see it spins a little bit. There's not really enough room to see, but there you go. And you can try putting on more paper clips. You can try different weights of paper, see how that changes things. Again, the question is, how can it spin? How can it stay up in the air? And last, we're going to make a rocket. So you need more construction paper. You're going to fold one piece in half. And then cut that piece in half. So this is the only part you need. You're going to roll it on a straw pretty loosely. You don't really need the straw, but it helps. And then tape it closed. And you want to tape it pretty good. Left the holes there. And then on one end, just smoosh it closed. I tape that up too. Then you're I'm gonna use another color. Take the fins. Just fold that in half. Cut some little fins off. And the way I'm gonna tape these on, like this, one at a time. Tape them on the other side. Hopefully they'll stay. This part will look better if you have bigger tape. This is just the tape that I happen to have. You can decorate your rocket, you can put, a little end on it, you can put glitter or tape or write the name of the rocket or anything you want. And it goes on the straw. And hopefully it will fly. I'm going to show you with my other one. This one's a little bit heavy, you can see, so it might be better to use less paper if your paper's pretty heavy. This one's a little bit smaller and lighter. And you can see this part is also a little bit heavy and kind of goes straight down. So that's the last part of your challenge, is to figure out how far you can make these go. Do you need more fins? Do you need less fins? Do you need more weight, lighter weight? Can you weight one end? That's a really good thing to have races with your siblings or yourself to make a bunch of different ones and see which one could go the furthest. So those are our 3 paper flying machine STEM crafts for today. Check back next week and we should have another craft.